Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 12-inch by 24-inch canvas that I have primed black with medium black paint. I have Oxo Omelette Turning Flip and Fold spatulas by Good Grips, and they serve me well. I am going to use a Toothy Tool or two. I will offer you the videos. If I forget to include them, just ask me and I'll hook you up. I've got a couple other tools. One somebody gave me that's graduated. That's kind of cool. And I think this is it's a Princeton catalyst. So my video will show you how to take a dollar store spatula head and make a toothy tool for not much money. Ooh, wet. Alright, so I made up a couple new colors, or I made up a batch of colors, and that is the sour lemon with a little bit of orange crush. That is the orange crush with a little bit of red apple, big apple, excuse me. This is, I believe, some hot orchid, which is definitely in need of a tip cleaning. Like desperately. I'm leaving them in puddles right now because I'm going to smooth them all together. This is some Chantilly lace. I've got some French silk, but I think before then I'm going to use some Mayan gold. And if all goes well, I will be mixing things together. This is some frozen. And I think I was saying the reason I'm leaving the puddles is so that the paint is heavy and then I can scrape through it. This is the blue velvet. Just using colors I like. I've got African violet, some of these colors should not be smoothed together very thoroughly. What's the word I'm looking for? That was not it. Twilight orchid. I think I want some pink diamond. I might want some silver. Here's that pink diamond. I wanted more white. I haven't got to that yet. I'm going to go a little bit more. I think it's time to start and add what I need to as I go along if I get to that point. Where is my, there's the French silk. I kind of think that is not, okay, I'm not wasting time on that. Just trying to cover the canvas and not make mud. And once I see what's going on here, I'll add some more colors like I am. I think I'm going to want some Tuscan sun. Now, if I don't have colors that are amicable, I'm going to have to take them off of my spatula. And the oranges are good for a stroke, but after that they start to get troublesome. i.e. making mud. I've never done exactly this before, and that's why I'm doing it, because I was really interested in trying it. I'm thinking it's time to bring back the Chantilly lace. Which definitely needs its tip cleaned out. I like to leave myself enough room to... I kind of like that. Which is why I'm thinking I'm going to like the black showing through. Now these are Prizm Pour paints. They're from Colour Arte. There's a 20% off coupon below the video, and paint pouring recipes below show more, along with my link tree, which has my Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups, etc. Society 6 is cool. They were having a sale today. I hope they do that again. It was a good sale. I put it on my Facebook page, which reminds me there is a Facebook group. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is a group for students. Okay, so in the old days I would leave this alone, but right now I really just want to follow through with what I had in mind. In spite of the fact that some of my paints are not so free-flowing. I do want to make sure the majority of my edges of my canvas are covered. And I'm liking most of that. I so want more of the Chantilly lace. And I'll have to do another one with, oh come on. I'll have to do another one with French silk. Okay, it's time to stop messing around and go for it. Oh, I'm nervous. All right, let's make sure I get some elbow room. I'm going to take my paint off my little tool. I want a wider, yes, and the Princeton Art Tool Catalyst. I hope this works. I'm hoping. So far so good. I'm definitely not unhappy I left those little black marks in the center. I wish I hadn't lost my favorite tool that I made, but I do have a small one. Which isn't hurting my feelings any. I'm going to try, so some of these are new to me. I'm going to keep wiping them off. I don't mind that they're melding back into each other. I say that, we'll see. I wanted it to be sort of simple. Like anything I do is sort of simple. You can't really go wrong with these colors. the whole point is to make different areas. But I'm wondering about leaving some negative spaces like that. And how much things are going to go back, move back in, fill in. It's a real danger because the paint is kind of heavy. That was extreme. I'm probably going to learn a lesson from this about what I like. I could tilt. I don't know if it'd do much of anything. Not getting to keep much of the black, which was my intention, so a lighter coat of paint is definitely the way to go. The colors are still fabulous. Oh, I like double striping as opposed to double swiping. Might get me closer to what I want. I think so. I have other new tools and I'm wondering, I don't want to practice that right now. I'm thinking though, what I might like to do. Given the opportunity. Might be sorry about that. And again, I might not. I haven't actually used a spatula like this before. I like the idea of getting some of the black back. Got some nice colors I'm saving. It's definitely dramatic. I can definitely go back again after I wipe off my tool. Yep, less paint next time. It might be cool enough. Got some great colored paint in my dish. I might want to put on something. Alright, so Toothy Tool and all. Kind of interesting. Good experiment. Evidently I'm not done, but I think I learned something I needed to know. Next time I will probably go one section at a time with a lot less paint, so it'll be less likely to fill in. I've got 3 minutes left. You guys, I do sell my artwork. I kind of think this might be kind of cool with dots, but I'm not sure yet. And I know that I really want to keep some of the black negative space, but it keeps disappearing on me, so we'll see what this is like tomorrow. I am going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. That might stop filling in, but I kind of doubt it. It'll still be really cool. I love you guys. There's over 2,400 videos. If you have an interest in more videos, let me know if you can't find what you're looking for, because I have them all organized by topic and genre. I'm glad the paint underneath was nice and dry. Which means I can clean up what I want to. Yeah, I'm not unhappy with that. It's not exactly as I anticipated. But fluid art often is not what you anticipate. And I didn't get anything mucky or green or yucky. And I could always do something else with it tomorrow if I decided I had to. Which I don't think I'm going to. Except for maybe put some black in the black spots. Okay, I'm going to try and shimmer that at you after I fix that one little spot. How many one little spots are there? I don't know. So there's no cells, there's just beautiful Prizm Pour colors, which shimmer like a son of a gun. Try and get that in frame. And I might be very tempted to just keep on playing as it gets a little stickier and a little stickier. I just got these little silicone mask tools today. Somebody recommended them and I thought it would be interesting to try them. So I did. I think I'm going to like them. Take care of each other, take care of yourselves. I love you and I look forward to seeing you at noon Eastern Standard Time most days. I might go back through, whoops. Okay, that was not clever. But it's not unfixable. It's a first try, what can I say? It's pretty cool, actually. I'll see you guys anon. Yeah, it looks great from up here. And no, I love you. And check out everything on the link tree. No, I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. And my email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out @gmail.com. Thank you everyone who donates to keep the studio rolling. I really, really appreciate that. And thank you for your kind words and your comments. And please know that if you do donate, you will be entitled to 50